Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to refund any game on Steam. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, you have to know the refund policy of Steam. You can request a refund within 14 days of purchase. The game must have been played for less than 2 hours. These are the refund policy. Now the question is how to do it. Follow the steps. Visit Steam support. Go to the Steam support page and log in to your Steam account. Navigate to purchases. Click on purchases and find the game you want to refund. Select the game. Click on the game you want to refund. If it's not listed, it might be outside the refund window. Choose refund option. Select I would like a refund and then I would like to request a refund. Fill out the form. Complete the refund request form, choosing either Steam Wallet or the original payment method for the refund. Submit request. Submit your request. You should receive a confirmation email once your request is successfully submitted. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.